The court does not find evidence that evidence has been adduced as to discrimination of women under the customs and practices of the peoples in the areas set out in Section 33 of the Law of Succession Act with regard to inheritance matters relating to the property set out in Section 32 thereof, to warrant any intervention by the court. Discrimination of women and female children under the impugned provisions of Section 35 and 36 of the Law of Succession Act is, however, textually clear. And in terms of Article 27 of the Constitution, the provisions of the Law of Succession Act would be unconstitutional. And therefore, the orders that the court makes in this regard is that for the reasons we have set out in the judgment, a declaration shall be and is hereby issued that Section 35(1)(b) of the Law of Succession Act is declared unconstitutional. 2, a declaration is issued that Section 36(1)(b) of the Law of Succession Act is declared unconstitutional. However, as regards Section 32 and 33 of the Law of Succession Act, the prayer for declaration of invalidity is declined. 4, the prayers directing the Attorney General to take measures for requisite legislative reforms and to produce quarterly reports on progress thereon are declined. A copy of the judgment herein, however, shall be transmitted to the Office of the Attorney General for information and action as he may deem fitting. There shall be no order as to costs, and that is the order of the court today, the 29th of September, 2022.
You know, the widows within our communities complain a lot because anytime they want to step out to get married, this part of the law pops up. Because the moment they get remarried, it means they are going to lose all property, I mean, any capital assets that they might have acquired over the years. You know, so we found out that the women were more happy remaining in consensual unions rather than rather than getting married. So this has been a huge problem for our women, you know. So the law gives if you look at the Marriage Act, it tells you have a right to get married to anybody that you want to. So that is a law which is granting you a right. And then this law comes and takes out that right away from you. So it gives you with the right hand and takes away with the left. And that is what we are trying to weed from the laws and make sure that all these laws are consistent with the international conventions, protocols, treaties, optional protocols that we have.